X, previously known as Twitter, is a social media platform for sharing short updates, thoughts, news, and opinions. It's popular for breaking news, trending subjects, and public discussions as well. So in 2026, X is commonly used for news, personal branding, education, business, and community building. If you want to create an X account, you can go ahead and download it on your mobile device, the Play Store or App Store, or you can also use the website by going to x.com, log in or sign into your account if you do not have one. And once you're signed in, you can choose a username as a handle, go through the on-screen instructions, and in the homepage, you'll be able to see posts from accounts that you follow, trending topics, suggested posts based on your interest, and you can also choose to view your For You page or your following page, which means the feed will display the accounts you have followed. And here on X, you can post text, images, videos, polls, links, etc. For that, you need to tap on what's happening in the top of the screen. And here you can add a media, add GIFs, even use AI, create a poll, add emojis, and schedule the post as well. Always remember to keep your post short and easy to understand. Focus on one main idea per post and use line breaks to make your post easier to read. And the key actions available here is liking, commenting on the post, and then reposting it. Reposting will share the post with your followers, and replying will participate in a conversation. You can also try reposting with your own comments as well. There is also the another option of bookmark, which will help you save post privately. And you can also share it among different social media platforms by copying the link, or you can share it as a post and in a chat as well. You can also go to your profile, add a profile picture by tapping on edit profile option, then upload a photo that you want to set. You can change your name, add a bio, add location or website. And you can also switch your account to professional as well. So try following creators that you admire, new accounts, people in your field like study, fitness, business, or content, and your feed gets better based on who you follow and interact with. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.